Hi, in this video, we will show you how to set up Outlook to use your new mailbox.my email address for sending emails. This way your emails will have your personalized sender address. These instructions also work for Hotmail or live.com accounts. To begin, please click on the settings icon in the upper right corner. Then click on View All Outlook Settings. Select the sync email item. Then click on Manage or choose a primary alias. Now selected email. Click Add an existing email address and enter your mailbox.my email address. We entered John Outlook at mailbox.my here, yours will be different. Then click on Add Alias. The alias has been added, but we need to prove that we own this email address by clicking Verify. And then Send Email. This sends a verification email to the new address. That mail will be forwarded to your Outlook inbox, so check there. Click on the link in the mail. The email is verified, and you are now able to send emails from Outlook using your new address. The last step is to make your new address the default sender address. Go to Settings. Click View All Outlook Settings. Choose Sync Email. In the Set Default from Address drop-down, choose your new email address. In case it does not show up, please reload the Browser tab. Then click Save and close the dialog. Now you can compose a message and your new email will be the sender. We hope you enjoy using mailbox.my.